Navigating the legal system can feel complex, especially when you are wondering about fundamental rights. Many people cherish their right to bear arms, but it is natural to ask what happens to that right after facing a criminal conviction. It is a question that comes with significant implications for your future, and understanding the answer is incredibly important for your peace of mind. The direct answer is yes. A criminal conviction can definitely lead to losing your right to bear arms. This loss is not automatic for every single offense, but rather depends significantly on the specific nature of the crime you are convicted of and the laws of the jurisdiction where that conviction takes place. It is a serious consequence with lasting effects. The primary reason behind this is federal law, specifically the Brady Handgun Violence Prevention Act of 1993, which prohibits certain individuals from owning firearms. Under this law, anyone convicted of a felony offense, which is a crime punishable by more than 1 year in prison, generally becomes a prohibited person. Furthermore, federal law also bars individuals convicted of misdemeanor crimes of domestic violence from possessing firearms, even if it is not considered a felony in their state. State laws often have their own additional restrictions that can further limit gun ownership based on other types of convictions, sometimes even for juvenile offenses, making it a layered legal landscape. To understand your personal situation, the first step is to accurately identify the specific crime you were convicted of and its classification, whether it was a felony or a misdemeanor. You will then need to research the federal laws and, crucially, the specific firearm laws of your state and any state where you intend to possess a firearm. Because these laws can be incredibly complex and vary widely, consulting with a qualified criminal defense attorney or a lawyer specializing in firearm rights is highly advisable. They can examine your conviction record and provide precise guidance on your eligibility. It is also important to understand that becoming a prohibited person, even unintentionally, carries severe penalties. Possessing a firearm when you are legally barred from doing so is a serious federal offense, and it can result in significant fines and lengthy prison sentences. There are often avenues for restoration of rights, but these processes are typically complex and may requiring a waiting period, petitions to the court, or other legal actions, all of which vary by jurisdiction. Knowing these details can prevent accidental legal missteps. Ultimately, determining your right to bear arms after a conviction requires careful attention to both federal and state laws, and it is rarely a simple, one-size-fits-all answer. Taking the time to understand your specific legal status and seeking professional legal advice is not just a recommendation. It is an essential step to ensure you navigate this complex area correctly and avoid any potential legal trouble. Your future safety and legal standing depend on being informed and proactive.